Have you heard the new Semi's hype? Prepare to be astounded by the astounding ingenuity contained within the Tesla Semi. It's time to fasten your seatbelt and watch as the transportation of the future takes shape in front of you. Are you eager to learn about the revolutionary shift that will drastically alter the freight industry? Today, we explore the enormous significance of the Tesla Semi, a subject that is frequently overlooked because it is a commercial vehicle rather than a general consumer car. However, the Semi's potential for financial gain for Tesla and its investors stems from its anticipated supremacy in the commercial market. Now, let's get started. Before we continue, though, don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons for more incredible Tesla stock news. Even while the Semi might not be the center of attention, it should not be undervalued because it has tremendous growth potential and could be a significant source of income for Tesla. Its fundamental relevance resides in the field of economics, and not in the impact it has on the environment. Let's look at the numbers. Around 3 million semis travel the roadways in the United States alone. These strong cars can be driven for extended periods of time, significantly more than the typical consumer car. As a result, they incur outrageous fuel and maintenance expenses, totaling hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. According to Tesla, a semi-truck will pay for itself in around 2 years. Furthermore, the Tesla Semi is a wonderful machine. With its 4 motors, it can outpace diesel semis in speed when navigating hilly terrain, reaching a remarkable 20 miles per hour. Furthermore, its acceleration is noticeably better. You may be wondering why this is relevant now. Well, especially on hills, vehicles will undoubtedly have to accelerate and decelerate in certain instances. Time and money can be saved by completing these tasks faster. It becomes desired to travel further in the same amount of time. Think about this. Even the best diesel trucks are only able to accelerate to 45 miles per hour on an incline of 5 degrees. However, in the identical circumstances, the Tesla Semi triumphantly reaches 65 miles per hour. This suggests that you may make an incredible 50% more per mile driving a Tesla Semi than a diesel truck when transporting a load over the Rockies or any other mountainous area. A 1% increase in trip completion time can make a big difference. Such an upgrade would eliminate the need for one truck out of a fleet of 100 or allow for higher production. The Semi's energy efficiency has a big impact on total operating expenses. You cost less to carry products the farther you can go per kilowatt hour. Such efficiency becomes critical when your business revolves around transportation. We wanted the Tesla Semi to have a smooth aerodynamic shape, like a bullet. The truck that is revolutionary has a remarkable drag coefficient of 0.36. Let's compare it to the incredible $2 million Bugatti Chiron, which has a drag coefficient of 0.38, to put things into perspective. In terms of aerodynamics, the Tesla Semi leads. For the truck driver's welfare, as well as from an economic perspective, safety is of utmost importance. A life lost on the road is ultimately meaningless, but even as we make progress toward finding a solution for autonomy, driver safety is still vital. The likelihood of an accident increases with the amount of time spent driving. Preventing accidents reduces the likelihood of death, disability, and injury in addition to preventing downtime. Travel is a dangerous activity in and of itself, and long-distance travel makes it considerably worse due to factors like weariness, bad weather, and unforeseen, infrequent situations. The S3 and X models in Tesla's current lineup have the lowest risk of harm in testing history. Without a doubt, Tesla's first focus is safety, and the Semi is no different. When we discuss safety, we're talking about the welfare of the driver as well as the safety of other road users and pedestrians. All of these factors are considered in the Tesla Semi, guaranteeing everyone's safety. Imagine an 80,000-pound truck speeding at 60 miles per hour down the road. That kind of situation is risky by nature. On the other hand, every Tesla truck has an upgraded autopilot as standard equipment, a thorough safety mechanism that looks out for everyone. Now let's explore a couple more security features. The driver's central positioning provides a safe viewing angle even in the case of a collision with another Semi. The location of the battery pack in the floor pan of the Tesla Semi ensures superb handling and significantly lowers the risk of a rollover. Let's now discuss cost savings, as they represent yet another important feature of this outstanding car. Elon Musk believes that the transportation industry's economics are crucial. If the cost per mile is too high, it just doesn't make economic sense. A diesel truck is 20% more expensive per mile than a Tesla Semi after lease expenses, insurance, maintenance, and other things have been carefully taken into account. 20% may not seem like much at first, but that means that 1 in 5 semis are effectively playing for free. But there's still more. Think about the idea of a convoy, which is a group of vehicles that move together in a manner similar to a train. It is asserted with confidence that using Tesla's tracking systems and convoy technology makes driving 10 times safer than depending just on human drivers. This is a remarkable achievement that can be completed immediately, giving transportation operations even more safety and efficiency. With its revolutionary combination of superior aerodynamics, premium safety features, and significant cost reductions, the Tesla Semi is a game changer. It's a bold step towards transforming the trucking sector. The Tesla Semi's convoy function makes it the only viable option economically, as well as a very enticing one. This is the last straw for diesel trucks and a significant victory for electric vehicles. Another area in which the Tesla Semi excels is the driving experience. It's enjoyable to use because of the drive's smoothness and the absence of frequent gear changes. The roomy cabin, central driving position, and superior vision all contribute to a relaxing and delightful ride. The jumbled, antiquated diesel trucks that rule the business are nothing like the Tesla Semi. It's revolutionary to have the option to charge at the location. It can take up to 15 minutes or longer to fuel a diesel truck, and it entails dangerous spills and fumes. On the other hand, charging a Tesla Semi is a simple procedure that may be finished on location. This means that there won't be any more price swings, harmful vapors, or wasted time waiting at a gas station. The Tesla Semi is an absolutely groundbreaking automobile. A truck convoy offers attractive economics, an unparalleled driving experience, and the revolutionary capability of charging at the destination. With its advantage in self-driving data, Tesla is well positioned to take the lead in the electric truck market. Don't pass up the Tesla Semi's unmatched driving experience and financial advantages. Here's an inventive twist on truck charging that improves efficiency and convenience over the traditional approach. You can choose where to charge the Tesla Semi, at the starting point or the destination. Dependability is an important component that should not be disregarded. Your truck is not simply a vehicle, it's your livelihood and your company. A malfunction can result in dissatisfied clients and a series of unfavorable outcomes, ranging from a bad day to an awful week. It could even occur in the middle of nowhere, which would be dangerous. We have therefore worked really hard to guarantee this truck's highest level of dependability. In trucks, brakes are quite important, particularly when you have to stop 80,000 pounds of cargo. It's a difficult task, and the brakes may sustain significant wear and strain. But the electric motor in the Tesla Semi transforms this obstacle into a chance. Instead of wearing out the brake pads as you brake, the kinetic energy produced is captured and fed back into the battery pack. The brake pads are practically indestructible thanks to this clever design. You read correctly, there is never a need to replace brake pads. Although the Tesla Semi is currently in an alluring position, what if I told you that Tesla is aggressively working toward being fully autonomous? When a vehicle is capable of driving itself, hiring someone to drive it becomes superfluous. Self-driving trucks can travel continuously without stopping for rest or restroom breaks. This is a game changer, and the Tesla Semi may have been the first vehicle to drive itself to a fully autonomous and unsupervised state. Let's look at the figures now. In the United States alone, there are about 3 million semi-trucks, and there are many more worldwide. These vehicles do, however, have relatively short lifespans because of their complexity and frequent use on the road. They eventually get to the point where a significant overhaul or replacement is required due to their frequent breakdowns, needing continuous repairs and maintenance. Assuming an average price of approximately $165,000, Tesla only sells 100,000 semis annually, generating an astounding $16.5 billion in revenue. It makes perfect sense to double that sum, which comes to $33 billion, which is greater than Tesla's total revenue for the entire year 2019. Give that sum